Welcome to Regain Capital, your personalized Forex broker. Today's video is about MetaTrader 4 on its mobile version. We're going to review MetaTrader platform on its mobile version, how to download it from our website, and we will show you how to use it on your cell phone. This version works on both iOS and Android systems. You can download the platform by clicking on this link right below in the description. Once installed, you are ready to access Forex Market just by clicking with your fingertips. Let's see the procedure to open a buying or selling position and their stop loss and take profit setup. This is MetaTrader 4 mobile version for iOS. Under the first option, you will see all currencies and instruments you can trade with in Forex Market. By clicking on the plus sign on top of your screen, you can add more currencies or instruments not shown on your market watch. To open a new position, we just click on the pair we want to trade with, and it will give us the chance to open the chart or go straight to place the order. Let's review the chart first to analyze the pair, draw our guidelines, and set our stop loss and take profit before we make our entry. Bear in mind that if you rotate your phone, you will get a better look to the charts. By clicking on top left of your screen, you can select different time frames to make your analysis. Let's place a selling order. First, we go to the top center of your screen to select a horizontal line and drop it on the chart. We can move that line over the chart and place it where we want to set our stop loss. We repeat the procedure to set our take profit level on the chart, and we're ready to go. If you want to double check, you can change the time frame to 1 day, and you will get a better outlook of your position. On the top right corner of your screen, you can click on the trade button, and that will take us to the type of order to select: market execution or pending order. Let's place a market execution order. We also need to set the size of our position. In this case, let's risk 5 microlots of our total capital. That's it. Click on the red button and that position is already active. Right at the bottom of your screen, you will find the trade option to check on all active or pending orders you might have. In case you want to change your stop loss and take profit levels, you just click over the position and slide to your left to select the pencil option that allows you to edit some of the values like the stop loss and take profit levels. Perfect. We are done. We have opened a position in Forex Market. Don't forget to visit regaincapital.com and take a look to our education section.